So in last article or last period, we see first type. First type is called as linear expansion. Now today's lecture we start second type. Second type is called as real expansion, or another name of that is the superficial expansion. So what is mean by a real or a superficial expansion? For that we consider a metal plate. Its length is L0 at T0 degree Celsius. So its cross section area A0 at T0 degree Celsius. If we heat the metal plate, what happens? Its area changes. Area becomes 80 up to T degree Celsius. So we define what is meant by aerial expansion. The increase in surface area on heating is called as aerial or superficial expansion of solid. For that we consider a metal plate of area A0 at T0 degree Celsius. Let plate is heated to T degree Celsius. So its surface area changes, that is increase in its surface area to 80. So change in surface area equal to 80 minus A0, that 80 minus A0 is directly proportional to number 1, its original surface area at A0, and number 2, rise in its temperature. Its rise in temperature to T0 to T degree Celsius, that is rise in temperature. So we write here mathematically 80 minus A0 is directly proportional to A0 into T minus T0. So there is a variable. When we solve this variable, we get 80 minus A0 equal to beta into A0 T minus T0, where beta is called as coefficient of aerial expansion. या ठिकाणच्या बीटाला आपण म्हणतो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एरियल किंवा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ सुपरफिशियल एक्सपान्शन ऑफ सॉलिड. So we find out value of beta. So rearranging term, we get beta equal to 80 minus A0 divided by A0 T minus T0. If we substitute A0 equal to 1, T minus T0 equal to 1 degree Celsius, we get equation. Then beta equal to 80 minus A0. From that equation, we define definition of beta, that is coefficient of aerial expansion, is defined as increase in its area per unit original area at 0 degree Celsius for 1 degree rise in temperature. So that is the definition of beta. Our unit of beta is given by per Kelvin or per degree Celsius. But for practical purpose, it is not necessary to keep the plate at 0 degree Celsius. For practical formula, if A1 is area of plate at temperature T1 and A2 is area at higher temperature T2, then equation of beta becomes beta equal to A2 minus A1 divided by A1 into T2 minus T1. So that formula is used for mathematical numericals. Pause.